Good morning, homies. Today we are at Opossum Lake. Opossum. It's a 3.6 mile trail. We do only have Chief with us still. Ripley is getting better. Breathing's a little raspy, but that's about it. He'll be okay. He's gonna make it. No issues. It is overcast today, as you can see, so we'll see how the drone picks up, you know, the lake and stuff, but at the very least it should be a nice hike. There's not as much elevation as the last one, so we should have a good time.
You want a blackberry? That's what I need. They're so perfect for climbing. Look at them. It's like a ladder.
You going up?
Not yet.
Overcast, but much cooler than last week. Hopefully we'll be able to get some good shots today. At the very least, Chief's having a good time.
He's a happy boy.
Chief, you wanna go swimming? You wanna go swimming?
So Mom says no. You are not going down there over my dead body.
Why? What's the matter?
Oh no, Dad. This definitely road less traveled.
Yes. Oh my god. That was hilarious.
Oh well.
So we're about 1 mile in, still overcast. Good news is though, we didn't need bug spray. Oh, I definitely smelled a particular plant earlier.
Yeah.
Did you?
I think that was somebody in a boat.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Is it pretty, Chief? Is it pretty here? Oh, allergic to the grass.
So we're about 3.2 miles in. Should be a little bit further. It's supposed to be 3.5, so we should be done here soon. Definitely enjoy it. There's not that much elevation, so that was nice as opposed to last week's. We didn't even have to spray any bug spray on this one either, so that's pretty cool. I think the only thing that's really lacking in this one is the lake. It might even be because of the overcast. I don't feel like I got like awesome drone footage, but still enjoyed our time out here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed Opossum Lake. It was a little overcast, of course. Now that we're leaving, the sun's coming out, so that kind of sucks, but we did about 4 miles.
No bugs. I don't think the sun's gonna come out fully. I think this is a tease.
Yeah, look at it.
It's still, I mean, the lake isn't as gorgeous as what we've seen some other places.
Yeah.
But the trail itself is so diverse. It had wetlands, it had prairie, it had pines, it had forests. The water itself is a little lackluster, but the trail is so fun and accessible and friendly.
Yeah, definitely recommended trail. It's just not as scenic. Not a lot of elevation.
Yeah.
Thanks for chilling.
Stay tuned.